How to reduce Amazon Prime video quality. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can reduce the video quality on Amazon Prime. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, simply make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Amazon Prime app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores in the search box, tapping in Amazon Prime, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Amazon Prime app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how the interface is going to look like. What you have to do is just tap on the profile icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, go ahead and tap on the gear icon again. As you tap on the gear icon, you'll be able to see all these options. Go to the one that says stream and download. As you go to stream and download, tap on streaming quality, and if you want to reduce streaming quality, you can see best, better, good, or data saver. You can at least set it to better or good in order to reduce it. I really wouldn't personally recommend data saver unless you're using mobile data to stream it, because it's just going to consume very less data, and as a result it is also going to give you the worst quality possible. So just make sure you have at least set it to good or better, but this is also actually a personal opinion, so you can go ahead and use that if you really want to by testing the quality yourself. Or you could also turn off use highest quality on Wi-Fi to reduce the Prime video quality. If you want to reduce download quality, then go to download quality over here and you can select data saver, good, better, or best. And hopefully one of these would have definitely solved your problem. If it did help solve your problem as to how you can reduce video quality, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.